Oh my god. I look like a troll doll. Boom. Cindy Lou Who. Hey, welcome back to OUAI's YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play Hollywood Plinko. We looked up the most searched holiday hairstyles on Pinterest and came up with a couple fun styles that we've got on the board here. So we're gonna do a tutorial on one and we're gonna leave it up to the fates. Let's see what we get. Looks like we're trying Cindy Lou Who.
I don't even know where to begin with this thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by combing my hair all the way up. Okay, so I have no idea how to do this, but I think I'm gonna start by sectioning out my hair.
You know, this is just what I'm gonna be wearing for Christmas with the parents.
Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of section off. Gonna need a lot of volume products. Okay. I don't know anything about this movie. I haven't even seen it.
Okay. This is how we're gonna get some height. That looks right. In case of emergency. This is really hard. No!
I need something to like go in here. Oh my god. How should I do this first and then stick it in?
Whoa, this is way too much.
I'm gonna put this air dry foam in my hair to help it stay. Oh, it's staying. Whoa, this is crazy. Oh dear. Oh dear. All right, that might have been the better method. Oh, honey, there we go. Who said you can't have short hair and be Cindy Lou Who? Okay.
Got some, texturizing hairspray. Maybe some medium hold hairspray. All right, let's try this again. Hey. I mean, amazing. Look, I'm Cindy Lou.
This is not going to work. Oh my god, okay. It's in. Okay, okay. Oh my god, look at that.
Now I'm gonna braid these parts. I don't even think I know how to braid. I can't. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Okay, not bad.
And she's got these curls at the end, so I'm gonna make sure I leave a little bit of extra hair at the bottom. Okay, there's that. And now I think we're gonna go for the curling. Full disclosure, I've literally never used one of these.
Now, I'm gonna braid. Maybe I'll use some hair oil. I'm just gonna go like that. My favorite part of the holidays in LA is the palm trees that they decorate with lights on them. That's like about the only thing I love about the holidays. I just really don't get it, you know? Shout out to all the Jewish kids that never got Christmas tree. This is just the fine hair struggle. Like, you have tons of hair to begin with and then it goes in a braid and it all just disappears. It's like a magic trick.
So then I'm gonna flip it over. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh, nope, that's not staying. Gotta fix that. I need to figure out how to make this stay. Oh, yeah, perfect. And I'm gonna, oh my god, I'm gonna knock it over. Then I'm gonna do this one.
The hair thing just came out. I melted onto this curling iron. These really are in case of emergency. Holidays are rough, guys.
I have dinner plans tonight. This is gonna be really funny to show up in. This can go back here.
Then, to finish it off, add your favorite color ribbon at the top. You can get creative. And then now I really gotta make this look good. So I'm gonna take some hair oil, smooth out any weird places. Make it real nice and chic. Put some hair oil on the bottom so that it looks more smooth and it also smells delicious. Oh my
no, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I just want this hair to be like funner, more fun. She has it at the top. I'm just gonna kind of go like this. Please stay. There you have it. Ribbon. I should have done the blue ribbon. Okay. Maybe around the, yeah, that looks really wild. Okay.
Oh dear. All right, there we go. Got a nice little curl, you know?
Oh no, my hair's so short. Ow. Okay. I'd be better off cutting my hair. Okay. Oh. Okay.
This has been a fantastic tutorial, I think.
When's the next train to Whoville? Ribbon time. This I'm good at. I spoke too soon. I know the Grinch stole Christmas, but I think I'm about to. This is as good as it's gonna get, everybody.
And I'm gonna do a nice, boom, Cindy Lou Who.